Hello, welcome to another Did You Know Thursday with me, Debbie from Stebbington. Formulas, Excel, boggles people's minds. Today I'm going to show you a really simple formula which can count the number of specific things in a column, and here is how you do it.
Okay, so in column E, you can see we've got site A, site B, and we just want to total the number of site A's and site B's. So what do? Well, the first thing with Excel is you need to enter an equal sign in the cell to say that this is a formula. Now we're going to enter count if. That means we're going to count something if there is something. So we're going to count how many if the number is site A. So we open the bracket, which starts it off, and as you can see here, it says range. So we need to pick where are we looking for this information, which is column E. We want the range to be column E. Then we put a comma to break it up a bit. And then in speech marks, we want to say what are we looking for. So we're going to put speech mark and site A. Close the speech marks and then close the bracket because the formula is done. And then we press enter. Et voila. Now, if we wanted to count site B as well, we can drag the formula down by going to the corner and finding the little black cross, pull it down. But as you can see, it's still looking for site A. So we need to change that to site B, and it's counted how many times it says site B.
So COUNTIF formulas are really, really easy. And if you really want to up your game, count ifs is even cooler. But that's not for today. Today, it's Thursday, so it's time to get ready for the weekend. See you next week.